mauri ana a Josh Keating I ana pūkenga pūoro tuawhenua ki te atamira.
Why I love country music so much is just because you really just feel at home and you feel like you're just one big family. And I think that's really something that the Academy does incredibly well too.
Ko Keating tētahi o te tokotoru no Aotearoa I uru atu ki te Academy of Country Music kei Tamworth ki Ahitereiria. Ko tā Roger Corbett, he kaupapa hei whakawhana ke haere I te pūoro tuawhenua.
You've got 28 like-minded people, all of whom love the same things, playing guitar, singing, writing songs, and enjoying country music. And that's really important to build that community. One of the things we really like to do is make sure they're learning from people who are still playing and still performing, still writing.
I hear your songs.
E whai ana a Keating I ngā tapu wai o tōna whānau, ka mutu ko te kawe tonu I te āwata o tōna whānau, hei mahi.
So I started in the womb probably. Mum and Dad were heavily involved because of my nana, Sharon Russell. Yeah, she did it very, very early on and it's just carried through and we all love it and she still does it and I'm still lucky enough to be able to sing with her when I get the chance.
He kūwata no Keating kia tuia te reo Māori ki ona mahi pūoro kia tangata whenua ai tōna oro.
I'd get Uncle Tahu to do some translating and now I know lots of friends that do a lot of translating for me, so it's one of my biggest dreams is just to incorporate my culture in my music. E whai ana tana ara pūoro I te ara tika. Ka mutu, he poho kereru no Keating kia whakatō I te reo Māori I tana waiata hou. Shikala Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.